You spend your money and leave the soul to finish the project. And now starts the most unpredictable and underrated part of filmmaking – distribution. I bet you didn't know how hard it is, how expensive it is, how it has different possible strategies and how it can be also a scam. Here I did a video about it. Again, I would recommend everyone to read this book for a better understanding of the process of film festival distribution. I left the link below. Today I want to share things to avoid during the distribution that I'm sure you really want to do. I made these mistakes as well. And if you are new here, my name is Sergi Pudic, and on this channel I'm sharing my decade experience in directing and independent filmmaking. Do not apply on late deadline. Only early bird or regular deadlines. Leave it for the next year. It will not run away. I know, you want to show your movie right now to tell the world what you want to say, but this is not how it works in film distribution. Your film has 2 years of distribution life, so you can apply to this festival that now is on late deadline for the next year with an early bird price. Not double or triple as a late deadline. It can be okay only for the premiere of your movie in the top festivals. Another reason not to apply for the late deadline is that your chances of being selected are lower. Most of the selectors and programmers watch movies during the application period because otherwise they will just not have time after closing the application acceptance. So, regarding the late deadline, they have already selected most of films for the program. Imagine, the festival has 5 blocks of screenings for 90 minutes each. The average movie is 15 minutes, so they must choose 30 movies. Until you apply for the late deadline, they have already chosen 25. Then you will compete with others for the remaining 5 positions. I received many official selections from festivals before they stopped accepting application, with extra questions like we need additional materials from you, can you record the video, what kind of premiere, and so on, so forth. You know, staff started to prepare their marketing to announce the lineup. But somebody is still applying and pay extra money on late deadlines. Local festivals. There are many, and in each country, you know, there are festivals for a small local community. Organizers want to spice things up in their community and organize for a local pleasant event and film screenings, drinks and networking. Excellent, great, I love this type of festivals. But it works to apply only if you will attend it. Or there is a very low application fee. Let's think about it. Any film festival wants film creators to be present and to do Q&A with an audience. This is an excellent experience for everyone. But only top festivals can afford transportation and accommodation reimbursement for filmmakers. Local festivals usually don't. Hence, if you write to a local festival that will happen near you and you probably will be able to attend it at your own cost, communicate it to the festival. And even they will have other better movies than yours, they will select you because it's in their interest. And we again return to our calculation. Usually local festivals do not have an extensive lineup of the movies, and a big part is already booked for local filmmakers and filmmakers who can attend the festival. And honestly, there is no immense fame for the movie being screened or awarded at the local film festivals. It makes sense only if you attend it or it's in your country. Or it was for free. I am happy to entertain the local audience with my movie, but I don't want to pay for it. Do not apply your movie without a strategy. Otherwise you will quickly run out of money. I will tell you more about the plan in the following episodes, but remember that you need to consider factors like the festival focus, target audience and your film's genre and length. Do not apply for specific categories like best director, cinematographer, editor. It's the scam that I was talking about in the previous episode. Just don't do it. Good festival gives these awards to a selected lineup. They don't have separate payments to apply to specific categories. Please don't feed the scammers with your money. Don't be disappointed when you receive rejection. It's normal. Film festival distribution is not a talent show where the best movie wins. It's a business, and if you want to be in business, you must give festivals what they need. Specific topics, lengths and genres. If your movie was not selected, it's because this festival is wrong for it. If the content was valuable, like, comment, subscribe to support my channel. Let's talk about don'ts in the comments and see you next week.